Welcome back guys to another episode of Adventure with Cam. So today's episode is going to be a bit different. We're going to a place called Cardingmill Valley. We're going to have sick views, waterfall, so don't know what to expect, but I'll see you guys there. People, made it to the location. This place is crazy, but we're just at the start. Waterfall around here somewhere, I don't know where, but we're going to try and make our way up there, across there. So many different routes, so many different places to go to, but so that's where we're going to go up to, over there. I am not ready. Are you ready, Luke? I'm buggered already. I've only been walking 5 minutes. But yeah, we'll see you guys at the top. So guys, 3/4 way up now, nearly there, but the view, stunning. I'm puffed, I'm out of breath, I'm fucked. Luke, he's absolutely dying. We're going to go all the way up there yet.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So guys, we made it to the top of the hill. We're trying to find the waterfall now. Not sure whereabouts it is, but I'll see you guys when we get there.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
So we got lost, and basically we've had to come back the way we've come to get to the top of the hill. So we are now heading back down now, and I'm guessing, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a path and it comes down that way. We need to get down to the bottom, to where that pool is down there, that lake, and follow up that way. So we'll see you when we get there.
Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Spooky mad bastard. Fuck's sakes. Oh. How did you get across there? Oh. I'm stuck.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
What's going on, guys? Made it to the waterfall finally. So yeah, I thought it'd be bigger compared to the photos that I've seen on the internet, but we're going to carry on, see if there's a different waterfall. If not, we'll keep going and keep finding new places. So right then, guys, that's it for another episode. If you like this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next week for another episode if the weather holds out. Sorry it's been so long. Weather's been terrible, typical UK weather. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later.